Hello, I would like to welcome you to our 9th tutorial, which will focus on the setting of RGB lighting sources as the output from the system. The output will be controlled from the EST3 unit, which also has a screen for RGB control. As the output from the system, we will use the combination of two units. First is RFDA74 RGB, which is the part of our wireless system, but it can be controlled by 0 to 10 volts, and digital analog converter DAC304M, which has the output 0 to 10 volts. These outputs will be connected with the inputs 0 to 10 volts of the RFDA unit, and then we will control the light sources through one converter and one dimming actuator. Firstly, we need to create a new floor with the name RGB. For this task, we need to have on the desktop one EST3 unit and one digital analog converter. By double-clicking, assign them with the real unit in the system and go to the function manager. This is very easy tutorial, and here we need to have just one more function with the name RGB. Because we are using a digital analog converter, that means that outputs is an analog value, we need to choose analog type of function, copy, input, output. That's all, because we just need to send the information about the RGB value from the EST to the digital analog unit. Now we need to make the connection between them. On the left side are four outputs: color R, color G, color B, and color epsilon. On the right side we have output 1, 2, 3 and output 4. Now we need to connect them together. The name of the first connection is RGB red. The action is analog in value change and function RGB. We have created it before. The same process for green color and blue color. The last connection is between color epsilon and output 4. The signal is not for color, but we call it a master signal for intensity of brightness. For this function, we will also use the same action, because we want to just still copy the output from the EST to the DAC unit. Finally, we close the window and save the entire project and upload it to the central unit.